before we will see the what is the concept behind the continuity and some simple problems based on the continuity. Now let's move on to the what will be the different type of discontinuous will be present on the discontinuity and some tricky questions based on the continuity as well as the discontinuity. Now let's see the what will be the different type of discontinuities will be present. The first discontinuity will be the, you already know, that will be the left hand limit that will be not equal to the right hand limit, then the our continuous will not be exist at that point. Okay, next this will be the type 1 discontinuity and this be the type 2 discontinuity. Either it may be the left hand limit does not exist or right hand limit does not exist or both does not be exist. That will be the type 2 discontinuity. Okay, for example, you have to be see third discontinuity, that will be the whether you have to be get the left hand limit that will be equal to the right hand limit, but you can't get the this not equal to f of a. Okay, then that type of discontinuity is said to be the removable discontinuity. That means we have to be removed that variable, what the variable we have to be put or the number we have to be put, then the discontinuity will get disappear, then that function is said to be the continuous. Okay, this was the three type of discontinuities will be present. The first question you have to be seen f of x that will be equal to sin 2x divided by x if x not equal to 0 and 1 for x is equal to 0. We have to be check whether it may be the continuous yet x is equal to 0 or not. That will be our criteria. Okay, first step what you have to do, we have to be do the, so here this be the limit x tends to 0 minus, for example if I want to take the some 0 minus, that will be the f of x that will be the limit x tends to 0 minus f of x that will be the, so what will be the f of x? F of x be the sin x sin 2x divided by x, right? Now next, what the next step we have to be taken? We have to be taken limit x tends to 0 for limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0 sin 2 into 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h. So what will happen? This be the limit h tends to 0 minus sin 2h divided by minus h. Here minus minus will get cancelled. So for example, if I want to multiply with 2, what will happen? Multiply and divide with 2, multiply and divide with 2. So here you can see this be the limit h tends to 0 sin 2h divided by 2h into 2, right? Next, apply the h tends to 0 here. So this will be the sin 0. Sin 0 be the 1, right? Sin 0 be the 1 into 2. That will be the 2. So here this be the left hand limit. How much you will get? Left hand limit you will get as an 2. Right? Our next target be the, we have to be find the right hand limit. Just write it down here. How much you will get? Left hand limit that will be equal to 2. Okay, now we have to solve the right hand limit. So the right hand limit be the limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus sine 2x divided by x. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to be taking the limit h tends to 0 sine of 2 into 0 plus h divided by 0 plus h. How much you will get? You will get an limit h tends to 0 sine 2 into 0 0 plus 2 into h, that will be the sine 2h divided by h. Here also multiply and divided by 2. What will happen? Multiply and divided by 2. So here this be the limit h tends to 0 sine 2h divided by this be the 2h into 2. Okay, this be the, if you apply the h here 0, replace h with 0, and here also replace h with 0, you will get the sine 0, that will be the 1 into 2, that will become the 2. Hence right hand limit, that will be equal to 2. So how much you will get the right hand limit? Right hand limit, that will be equal to 2. Here you can observe right hand limit, that will be equal to the left hand limit. Hence the continuity has to be exist. But one twist will be there here. Clearly observe here, left hand limit that will be equal to right hand limit. Okay, but yet x is equal to 0, how much you will get? 1, right? But how much we want, how much we will get? We will get as in 2, right? Yet f of 0, how much you will get? You will get as in 1. But in the answer, how much we will get as f of 0? You will get as in 2, right? Here this type of discontinuity, that will be the third type of discontinuity. Here left hand limit, that will be equal to the right hand limit, but where the error we will get, at f of 0 they will be given as an 1, but we got as an 2. That will be the, here it can't get our matched our criteria. Okay, here left hand limit, that will be equal to the right hand limit, but not equal to the f of a. Here f of a place, put the 0, f of 0 how much? That will be the 1. But actually how much you will get? You will get as an 2. This type of discontinuity is said to be the third type of discontinuity. So if you want to remove this type of discontinuity, what you have to replace? You have to replace the f of x with 2. Okay, so here at x is equal to 0, if you want to replace the f of x is equal to 0, you have to replace the, sorry, f of 0 is equal to 1, right? If you want to put f of 0 is equal to 2, that means here replace 1 with 2, that discontinuity has to be removed, then our function is said to be the continuous. Okay, this was the trick. Actually this was the gate question. Okay, we have to be basically understood this. Okay, I hope that you can clear the concept. Okay, this question also you can see, find lambda such that function is defined. We have to be check whether it may be the continuous or discontinuous at x is equal to pi by 2. In this question our target be the find lambda. What will be the lambda? Okay, here you can see what they will be given, f of x. If you want to take the function f of x, that will be equal to, For example, if you take f of pi by, okay, how much you will get? X is equal to pi by 2. F of pi by 2, how much they will be given? X is equal to pi by 2, that will be the 1, right? That will be the 1. Okay, next, for example, we have to be such that the function defined to be below to be continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, right? So if you want to apply the limit x tends to pi by 2 lambda into cos x divided by pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now substitute the x with pi by 2, that means the replaced x with pi by 2. What will happen? So this will become the lambda into cos pi by 2 divided by pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So here positive negative will get cancelled. You already know cos 90, that will be the 0. So this be the 0 by 0 form. You already know from the limits concepts, L'Hospital's rule, right? Indefinite forms. You have to apply the 0 by 0 form whenever you have to be get. You have to be apply the L'Hospital's rule. Apply L'Hospital's rules. L'Hospital's rule means just simply make the differentiation. Okay, apply L'Hospital's rule. So here if you apply limit x tends to pi by 2, so here this be the minus lambda into cos x, that will be the minus sin x, that will be the minus lambda sin x. This here, this be the minus 1, that will be equal to here this be the pi by 2, f of pi by 2, f of pi by 2, f of pi by 2, how much you will get? You will get in 1, right? Okay, already put the limit, right? Pi by 2, you can't take that pi by 2 and again. Okay, that's the mistake we have done. So here we can see this be the minus lambda into sin x. So this be the limit x tends to 0. So this be the limit x tends to 0 divided by minus 1, that will be equal to 1. So here this be the minus lambda into sin 0 divided by minus 1, that will be equal to 1. Here minus minus will get cancelled. Here this will become the lambda is equal to how much you will get? You will get lambda be the 1, sin 0 be the 1, hence you will get the lambda be the 1. Hence our lambda be the 1. Okay, this was the answer. Here you can, in this question you will get in 0 by 0 form. There you have to apply the L'Hospital's rule. Remaining will be not an issue to find out the lambda. Our final question, we can see there will be a lot of questions will be there in our textbook. There you can practice. Okay, question: which of the following which of the following, sorry, which one of the following functions, which one of the following functions is continuous, yet x is equal to 3, continuous yet x is equal to 3. First, they will be given f of x that will be equal to 2 if x is equal to 3. Next, x minus 1 if x greater than 3. And next, x plus 3 divided by 3 if x less than 3. Okay. Okay, this was the question. They will be given. We have to find out the which of the following function is continuous yet x is equal to 3 or not. That's our criteria. Okay. Here you can see in the A multiple choice, that will be the f of x that will be equal to 2 if x is equal to 3. Okay. That means f of 3, how much you will get? You will get an 2. And here for x greater than 3, x greater than means that will be the right hand limit, right? So I can't do that much of steps. Simply apply the right hand limit. Limit extends to 3. So this be the f of x. This be the limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, x minus 1. So this be the limit h tends to 0. In place of x, you have to replace it with 3 plus h minus 1. So this will be the 2, right? 3 minus 1, that will be the 2. Here h be the 0. For here you can see this be the limit extends to 3 minus, here this be 3 plus f of x, that will be equal to limit h tends to 0. Here this be the x plus 3 divided by 3. So here this be the limit h tends to 0. 3, right? 3 minus h plus 3 divided by 3. So here limit h tends to 0. How much you will get? You will get an 3 minus 3. That will be the 6. 6 divided by 3. That will be the here 6 minus h divided by 3. So here h be the 0. So this be the 6 divided by 3. That will be equal to 2. Okay. Next, for here you can see here this be the f of x that will be equal to 4. Here f of 4, f of 3, how much you will get? You will get an 4. And next, for here x not equal to 3, you have to be simply take it as limit x tends to 3, 8 minus 3 plus h. So what will happen? 8 minus 3 minus h. So this will be the 5. So this will be the wrong answer. Here you will get an 4, here you will get an 5. And here you can observe at this case x less than or equal to 3, right? Here this be the limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, that will be the limit x tends to 3 minus f of x be the x plus 3, that be the limit h tends to 0. So here this be the minus, right? 3 minus h plus 3. Here this be the h will become the 0, this will become the 6. And here if you take here x minus 4, that be the limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, that be the limit x tends to 3 plus what will be the f of x, that be the x minus 4, that be the limit h tends to 0. So here this will become the 3 plus h minus 4, this will become the minus 1. Okay, here also left hand limit can't be equal to the right hand limit. Here this will be directly can't be the left hand limit, that will be not equal to the right hand limit. So our answer be the A. Here you can see at x is equal to 3, you will get as in 2. For if you take the right hand limit, you will get as in 2. Here you can observe left hand limit, how much you will get? Left hand limit you will get as in 2. Next, right hand limit, how much you will get? You will get a right hand limit that will be equal to 2, that will be equal to what will be the f of a, that will be equal to the 2, f of 3, that will be equal to 2. Hence our criteria will get satisfied. This A be the answer. Okay, this A be the answer. In this way we can do the questions based on the continuity. This was the process, basic process. Whatever the question they will be asked, you have to do these type of steps, you will easily get your answer. Okay, in the next class we will try to see the what will be the discontinuity and problems based on the discontinuity. If you really like this video, please like my video, share my video, as well as the subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.